Hello, my name is Julie, the founder of Jules Cuisine and Jules Cuisine Junior. Over the last few years, I've had the pleasure and privilege to be surrounded by young children of varying ages. All have spent much time with me creating, preparing and cooking food that inspires and motivates the young, resulting in many parents absolutely amazed at what their children will eat if prepared by themselves. I love the thought that I'm teaching the young chefs the importance of nutritional, healthy, tasty food, using fresh ingredients, teaching them to cook fun and simple tasty dishes. So in conjunction with Growing Heroes, I hope I can inspire a new generation of youngsters to have fun, while thoroughly enjoying the process of understanding and preparing fresh ingredients online, in a fun, educational way, cooking complete dishes which can be eaten at home with the whole family. I look forward to seeing you all.